In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Zoom meeting with an ID. To get started, open Zoom on your device. This can be the Zoom desktop app on your computer or the Zoom app on your phone or tablet. Make sure the app is fully loaded before moving on so you can clearly see the main home screen. If Zoom is not installed yet, you'll need to download it first from the official Zoom website or your device's app store, and then open it once the installation is complete. When Zoom opens, look for the Join button on the main screen and click or tap on it. This option is specifically for entering a meeting that someone else has already created. You do not need to start your own meeting for this. If you're not signed in, that's usually okay, because Zoom often allows you to join a meeting without logging into an account. Still, if your organization requires sign-in, just complete that first and then return to the Join option. After you select Join, you'll see a field where you can enter the meeting ID. This is the unique number assigned to the Zoom meeting you want to attend. Type the meeting ID carefully or paste it in if you already copied it from an email, message, or calendar invitation. Pasting is often the fastest way and can help avoid mistakes, especially if the number is long. Before joining, take a quick moment to double-check the meeting ID for accuracy. Even one incorrect digit can prevent you from entering the correct meeting. Depending on your Zoom version, you may also see a place to enter your display name or choose whether to connect your audio and video right away. If those options appear, review them so your setup matches how you want to join. Once the meeting ID is entered correctly, continue through the prompts to enter the meeting. In some cases, Zoom may ask for a passcode, depending on how the meeting host configured access. If that happens, simply enter the passcode provided in the invitation and proceed. That's it. Open Zoom, select Join, and enter or paste the meeting ID. It's a simple process, but paying attention to the details will help you get into the meeting quickly and smoothly. If you found this helpful, feel free to rewatch the steps and follow along on your own device.